Hey y'all, went to the store, bought these two beers. Couldn't decide which one to drink first. So, the peanut butter lover in me said, sorry, we'll drink you for some friends. So, right now, we're gonna drink the peanut butter milk stout by Belching Beaver Brewing. So, I don't do beer reviews. Drank one glass of this already. So I decided it deserves a beer review. So, first of all, Belching Beaver Peanut Butter Milk Stout. So here we go. Oh boy, that's pretty. So let's do a little aroma. Very peanut buttery, very chocolatey. So reminds me a lot of Reese's peanut butter cups. Let's see, what's a 5.3% alcohol. No IBUs on it, so I'd say it's very sessionable peanut butter, but as you can see right there, the head dissipated really fast, but that's all right. Carbonation's still there though, so chocolate, peanut butter, roasted nutty. Good. Let's take a drink. Peanut butter right off the bat. The mouthfeel of like milkiness from the probably the lactose in it. A little bite of like bitter chocolate. Maybe a little hop bitterness. Not much. Easy drinking. Very good. That is a crushable stout. It says easy drinking as a blonde ale. The stouts aren't normally that crushable. It's not thick like a stout. It's very sessionable like a blonde pale ale. That's a nice creamy mouthfeel that dissipates though, like so easy drinking. It's definitely the peanut butter. Couldn't call it a stout. I have to call it like peanut butter ale, but very good. Very easy drinking. Very delicious. Carbonation still good. Oops. That'd be a good everyday drinker. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Thank you all for who subscribed so far, and don't forget to thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Cheers.